Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Haryuni. My student ID number 20110106013. I am from TBI1. Okay, here I would like to fulfill my assignment, my midterm test of translation and interpreting. Okay, in the first chapter, mention about the meaning of translation and interpreting of. Okay, the translation is to successfully decipher the meaning of written content from search language into target language, while the interpreting is more focused more on paraphrasing the content that the speaker is trying convey. And the difference between both is if translation focus on written text, but if interpreting, that is focus on speaking skill. If translation that is focused on writing skill, and translation focus on speaking skill, like that. Okay, next in the second chapter that mention about theory is a basic of translation, and translation is a process to transforming into other language, like that. And in the second chapter mention about translation theory divide into six according to cut form translation theory, and the second according to Newmark, and the third according to Nida and Tabor, and the fourth according to Milred, and the fifth according to Bristin, and the last, the sixth, according to Wills, like that. And for the last chapter, the third chapter is mention about kind of translation. Kind of translation divide into two according to Roman Jacoban and according to Savory, like that. And according to Roman Jacoban divide into three. First is intralingual translation, and the second interlingual translation, and the last is intersemantic translation. And for according to Savory, divide into four. First is perfect translation, and the second adequate translation, and the third composite translation, and the last is research and theoretical translation, like that. Okay, maybe just it from me. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.